don't cook a cake!
Bah! You don't cook a cake, you booger!
You're gonna bake a cake! I'm too lazy to bake a cake, so we're just gonna use cake mix.
But Sprout, doesn't that defeat the entire purpose of a baking a cake?
You're really starting